Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 9 to 15, 2023. Before we begin, promote ko lang ang Leo bracelet. Ayan. So, this is for alignment of Leo energy. Ayan. So, meron tayong red jasper, rose quartz, at carnelian. So, available to sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. So, let's begin, Leo. This is a general reading, okay? Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. At gamitin nyo lang yung reading na to bilang gabay. So, let's see the energy of Leo for this week. Queen of Pentacles, you are focused on your money, your finances. Maaring iba sa inyo, medyo meron kayong hindi pinapansin dito na na can be pwedeng romantically nagpapapansin tong taong to sa'yo. Ito, may bunny. Parang hindi mo siya pinapansin. Nandito ka lang. Pinafocus mo yung sarili mo sa inyong kaperahan, sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong resources. So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge? Oh, Eight of Cups. Ang challenge sa inyo is umalis sa isang sitwasyon. No, to finally walk away from a situation that is no longer serving your highest good. Let's see your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Leo? The High Priestess. You have the opportunity to strengthen your intuition, your instinct, and this is also your knowledge, no? Marami ka pang pwedeng i-explore sa sarili mo, spiritually, that will help you improve your life, no? Let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Leo? Wow, Ten of Pentacles. Blessing sa finances, sa career, sa business, sa family matters. Yung iba may mga matatanggap na pwedeng inheritance from your family. Yung iba naman, pwedeng pagsasalo-salo with your family. But this is about having more than enough, no? Kaya siguro isa rin yan sa focus mo, yung finances, business mo, trabaho mo. What is the Queen of Pentacles? Oh, the Empress. Wow. The Empress energy. You are also taking care of yourself, your needs. You're also being more creative. So, merong Venus energy rito. Venus is the planet of money. This is love, art, beauty. So, siguro yung iba sa inyo, may ine-enhance rin kayo sa inyong sarili, no? Sa physical appearance ninyo. You are starting to build your, a better version of yourself physically. What is the Eight of Cups? Page of Swords. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring there's a communication from someone na Page of Swords kasi is communication or somehow stalking, no? From someone na pwedeng iniwan mo na or gusto mo na i-finalize yung connection mo doon. Okay? Or there is someone in your past that is still trying to know more about you. Oo, parang may spy kasi. Spying kasi ang Page of Swords energy. So, nasa sa'yo yan if you are going to entertain. Oo, baka may nagpapadala ng message. Ano yung opportunity? Ano tong High Priestess? The Nine of Wands. Alam nyo, Leo, if you are going through some hardships right now, magtiwala ka lang sa sarili mong kakayanan kasi malalagpasan mo to eh. Malapit na matapos yan. Yung challenge na yan, okay? You have the Five of Pentacles. I feel like, for some of you, pagdating sa finances, pwedeng somehow naging challenging yung finances nyo, meron kayong mga pinagkagastusan or meron kayong sinubukang tulungan like a family member financially, and syempre nakaapekto yun sa finances ninyo. But what I'm seeing here is you are finally bouncing back, no? Kumbaga, ano man yung mga nagastos mo nung nakaraan, ito ay pabalik na sa'yo. Oo, babalik na yan. Let's see, ano pa, messages sa iyong kaperahan. Oo, writing down your goals. So, maaring this week, isusulat mo lahat ng mga gusto mong ma-achieve sa finances mo, sa career mo, sa business mo. Ayan. And be careful in making decisions with your finances. Prioritize your needs over your wants. Pwede kasing merong humingi ng tulong sa'yo. Can be someone that is close to you, family member. Tulong okay lang yun pero kasi yung tulong is any amount, 'di ba? Kahit hindi na ibalik. Pero kung pautang, mahirap yun. 'Di ba? So be careful rin. And then also makakatulong sa'yo yung paglalabas, no? Yung lalabas ka with nature, makakapag-relax, de-stress, makakapag-ground ka ng sarili mo. Yung pwede kang humiga sa mag-picnic, ganyan. Humiga ka sa grass or hug a tree, yan. Maglakad ka ng barefoot, no? Walang tsinelas or sapatos, nakayapa ka lang. And just feel the energy of nature around you kasi tutulong talaga yan na mag-distress, mag-release ng negative energies around you. Okay. Tinan pa natin. For Leo sa career. O ayan, 9 of Cups. There's happiness. Iba sa inyo, fulfilled naman kayo sa finances ninyo, sa kaperahan nyo. Meron ditong unexpected change pagdating sa trabaho. But I think, kahit na unexpected to, it will work for you. No? Makakabuti yan sa'yo. Sa una lang, pwedeng akala mo, it's not good for you or medyo parang shocking. But eventually, you will feel fulfilled. So, sa relationship naman, may engagement and honeymoon and honesty. So, yung iba sa inyo, if you are in a relationship right now, pwedeng merong proposal na matatanggap sa inyong karelasyon. Oo. Yung iba naman, you will be spending more time with your loved ones. You may be dealing with an Aries or an Aquarius. Itong 7 of Swords energy, I'm seeing this as parang tatakas. Parang tatakas kayo somewhere papunta sa kung saan para mas may time at panahon kayo sa isa't isa. Lalo na kung may mga anak kayo. When I say takas, parang, tatakas para sa oras at panahon nyo sa isa't isa. Ganon. Calm. A breakdown is often followed by a breakthrough. Remain calm. Kalmahan nyo lang daw. Huwag magpa-stress sa mga nangyayari. Just go with the flow. And anything beyond your control, surrender. Anything that is within your control, then take action and do something about it. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.